This video demonstrates how to add a product to your 6 catalog. Go to the Start menu, go to Catalog, and go to Manage Products. You can enter a new product from scratch by clicking the New button, and here you will fill in general information about the product, description, pricing information, definitely, and if you've chosen to charge labor on a per item basis, you'll choose a phase, which will have your labor rates from your setup, and a number of hours on how long it takes to install the device. There's a specifications tab for information like height, width, and depth that get used on our elevation pages in Visio and AutoCAD. We also have an IOs tab here where you can open the IO Studio and add inputs and outputs for the device for use on our schematic pages in the Visio and AutoCAD interfaces. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and click the download button here, which will connect out to the DTools server, so you do need internet access for this. This is going to open up the DTools data browser. From here, you can search by manufacturer, or you could switch to category view if you want, or you could search for individual products right here in the middle of the screen. What I'm going to do is search for a specific manufacturer. I'll select that manufacturer, and now products for that manufacturer are going to list here in the center window. And by default, we show 10 records per page, but you can click and show up to 30 per page. Now, once you filter to a manufacturer, the default search here now is to search within that manufacturer. So I'm going to look for a specific product here, and let's just see here. And I found the product that I'm looking for, and I'm going to go ahead and click the download button. This is now downloaded to my 6 catalog. I can go ahead and close the data browser, and then back here in the Product Explorer, I'll go ahead and hit refresh. There's the product that was just downloaded, and now you can open this for edit. You can double click it, or you can click the edit button here, and we'll open up and see what came down from DTools. Here there's a manufacturer, model, and a category. There's a brief description here and a longer description that's available, and you can decide if you want to use that or just the basic description. You may choose to take this out and add your own information. Take a look at the price tab. Now, an MSRP did not come down in this case, but you can always manually add that. And I'm just going to make up pricing for this example, and I'm going to say $2,000. And we'll say that the cost, this is your cost, what it costs you. We'll go ahead and set that at 1,000. Unit price will set back at the MSRP there of 2,000. Now you can enter more than one price type here if you'd like. It came down, assigned the phase finish at 1.5 hours. If you want to change that, you can. Say, I think that's an hour install. And some other things also came down with this download here. You can look at the specifications for some information. Again, height, width, and depth for use on elevations. There's inputs and outputs listed here. And of course, if you want to edit those and change some of the wording around, you can hit Open IO Studio and do that. But now that I've set pricing on this item and took out that longer description, this is proposal ready data, and you can go ahead and save this and either continue adding products, or you can go start a project.